Hey everyone, it's Saruke, and sorry about no post last week. I was too tired and too done with this heat wave we're having. I just wanted to stop. So, no video then, but today I'm posting a jumble of clips from different times I've been filming, and this is what I have to offer. Please accept. So, I've been picking cherries. This is the first time I was out picking cherries, and I got about 2 liters, I think. I went out about a week later and got 5, and this first time we made pie out of all of it. It was a really good pie. And then the second time we made soup and not juice, cherry juice. Oh my gosh, there is a different word for it. I can't think of it. But yeah, we made, I'm gonna say cherry juice. But yeah, so that's what we made. There's just a ridiculous amount of cherries now that the heat's been on for so long, and they're all going to waste because I can't reach them. It makes me so mad. You're also gonna get plenty of music here because I don't have commentary for all of the clips. So yeah, I hope you enjoy seeing what I've been up to. Some of the clips I found, I was cleaning my room, and more specifically I cleaned because my computer desperately needed to be aired out. I don't know when the last time was that I actually cleared it, and it showed, it really showed that it needed it because it was really loud. It was making so much noise and it was so warm. So I took it outside, and we have this air compressor. So I blew it clean, and there was just so much dust in it. Oh my gosh. I felt so bad. I should have done that way earlier. Found some more clips, and this one of me taking Doggo for a walk. He is also super done with this heat wave. We are having so much trouble actually getting him to go outside. It's like he will walk about 50 meters away from the house, and then he will just turn around and be done. He just goes straight back home. He doesn't want to. He doesn't want to be out, and I understand because it's so hot. I hate it. Just look at our grass. It's even worse now. Like, that was a couple of weeks ago. It was pretty fine, but now it's all yellow. There is no life left. So when I recorded that Draw This in Your Style meme with Nirel Busby's art, I also did a second one with art by Ghoulkiss on Instagram, and initially I was going to put these two in the same video, but I didn't really like how this one turned out. But since I still had the footage, I figured I could stick it in here. Ghoulkiss has this really, really pretty, I'm not sure what you should, it's pastel, it's monster girls, it's very cute, but also creepy. Oh, it's creepy cute. Hello. But yeah, if you haven't checked them out, go do it because their art is so freaking gorgeous. I die. I've bought some prints from them and they're super nice. Hi. I got shelving parts for my drawer chests. Dresser! I got parts for my dresser, and I'm going to build my dresser. I needed a couple of shelves on top of it, so I'm going to do that. Please ignore my jacked up leg. I fell with my bike yesterday, so I'm fine. I'm fine. It just looks horrible. So yeah, you're going to get to watch that because honestly I don't know what I'm doing for Monday's video. So yeah, have fun. At least I had an intro in that clip, and it's from yesterday, so yesterday, Thursday. Yeah, I fell off my bike. That was fun. It was a stupid mistake, and I'm probably never doing that again. If I'd had shoes on, I probably wouldn't have jacked up my leg the way I did, but alas, I wasn't wearing shoes, didn't want to cut them up, so I fell over with the bike and everything. But I'm fine, the bike is fine, it was stupid. So I got shelving parts for my drawer drawer desk. Oh my gosh, my dresser. I don't know why I have such issues with that word. I can never remember it. Well, yeah, so I put that together. I had my dad help me saw off the legs a bit because they were a little too tall. They would have hit the TV. And I'm pretty sure I'm buying more parts because this shelving unit, it's from IKEA. It's called Ivar, I-V-A-R, and it has a ton of different parts, and it's just really easy to put together. I don't function well in warm weather. I never have, and I don't think I ever will. Like, my preferred season is winter. I don't mind rain. So just this heat wave has ruined July for me. I'm done. I'm done. I'm sorry I keep repeating the same thing over and over, but I'm so done with this. Is anyone else done with the heat wave? Can we, I don't know, collectively call on winter or something? Don't think I have anything else. I do think that technically today should have been a bullet journal video for August setup, but I haven't been using my bullet journal much, and I was thinking I should continue doing the bullet journal at least till September, so I'd have a year of bullet journaling, but I'm getting kind of bored with those videos. It's a consistent post on my channel, but I don't know. I'm getting bored making them. Anyway, thank you anyone who made it till the end of this sort of haphazardly put together video of different things that I have been doing for the past few weeks. And I hope to see you guys soon again in my next video, where I hopefully get to do some art related things instead. Until then, keep on scribbling, friends. Bye!